I got this from another DIYer, the Shabby Trade, this idea, and I wanted to try it, and I really think it's really cute, and I wanted to share it with you. So what I had told you guys the other day was that I went to the Dollar Tree, and they sell brown rolled paper, craft paper. And so what I did, made these Valentine hearts with that. So I'm going to show you how I made them. This is what they look like. They're a little bit stuffed, and there's a doily and some heart paper, scrapbook paper that I made out of just a pattern. So I'm going to kind of show you how I did it. So basically I found a heart pattern, and I took it from this heart here, and I traced it onto a hard, like cardstock. And all this is just basically the back or a little cardstock from a scrapbooking paper that I traced out and cut it, and then I put it on the brown craft paper, and I traced it and then cut it out, made several of the hearts. So then I took some hot glue and I glued the edge of the heart just a little bit, just to glue it halfway up to the side and to the other side, and then I left it like that. Then so it looked like this, and I did halfway up on each side. Then I had cut out I had a little heart box that I had here, and I decided to cut out another pattern using my scrapbooking paper. I went through and picked some paper, and I traced it with this little box and cut out some smaller hearts. So I cut out that one. I just picked some different patterns in the paper. These were kind of like pink and like a plaid, kind of pink and yellowish. And then there was this pattern here, and I then purchased some doilies from the Dollar Tree. They sell a pack of them. There's a pack of 30 in them. And so I just peeled it off. It's in a little pad like thing. And I took a glue stick and I glued this heart onto here. So it looks like that. And then I took some more glue after this dried. I put some glue stick, or you could hot glue it. I used a glue stick. And I glued this onto the heart. There. And this is all before it's stuffed. Okay? So then once I glued the heart on, I remember the heart is sealed halfway up on both sides, so it creates a pocket. And then I purchased some stuffing, and you can use anything. I just used this. It was on sale. It was on clearance for 30 cents at Dollar General. It was regular, I think, $3, and I got it for 30 cents. I bought 2 bags. So I took some of that and stuffed the heart with it, and then I got my hot glue gun and sealed it off. So this is what it looks like. It's a little poofy. It looks like a little small poofy little pillow, kind of. And So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm going to might do a hole punch possibly, or I may do a pipe cleaner and hang it like make a handle on it on both sides to hang it on something, or I may just glue it on some string and make a banner out of it. I'm not sure, but I haven't got that far. But I just wanted to share what I made, and they're really cute. So it's the doilies. The dollar store sells red, white, and pink. And I had this scrapbooking paper already, so it's just real easy. You can make any kind of shapes. I made big ones. I'm probably gonna make some small ones as well. So basically you just make whatever size shape hearts you want and glue them onto the brown paper. And I just thought it was a really cute idea to share. And it's something cute and simple for Valentine's. It doesn't cost a lot, and you can make a bunch of these. The scrap paper I already had. The doilies were $1, and the brown paper is $1 for the roll. I already had hot glue and glue stick and the paper, so really it didn't take long to make these at all. So I just wanted to share this quick idea for these cute little paper hearts. Okay, see you next time. Bye.